This is a 12-month warranty inspection. My client has had their home inspected by me prior to purchasing the property, and things like this were on the report. This is a category 1 gas-fired appliance that's obviously installed in an attic space. A double wall or B-vent material is required for the flue pipe throughout the entire attic space. Okay, so they're fine going through here. However, this is aluminum single wall dryer duct. It is, I mean, look, I can press that in with my finger. This isn't allowed. During the heating season, I have measured these up to about 240 degrees Fahrenheit. You can measure these and they're maybe 85 degrees. So what else is going on in here? This is pretty common. We have, well, look at this. We have the non-metallic cable, an improperly installed grommet, and right now this cable is rubbing up against the sharp cabinet. Okay, this cabinet, these furnaces do vibrate over time. This cabinet will cut into this cable. As we go in, we can see here's where the splices are located inside of the furnace. There should be a box. Oh, there's the part, there's half of it. So here's half of the box. These splices must be made inside of a junction box. So I don't know where the rest of that junction box is at. I think they just threw it away. So they just think this is okay. You know, you get a service guy in here and he's gonna maybe work on this fan inducer. He's gonna do some kind of work over here by this pressure switch, and he could get electrocuted. Remember, this is a appliance that vibrates. These could come off. All splices need to be installed inside of a manufacturer supplied junction box, or if you're gonna use a different junction box, it can be installed on the exterior of the air handler. So what else do we have going on here besides this? Let me grab my light. We have condensate drain for the pan. That should be graded at 1/8 inch per foot. We have about 3 feet, that's front flat. This was in the report. These are openings into the air handler. Cold air will be blowing out of there. Insulation is missing from the suction side. So as the cold air blows out, it creates condensation, and what happens is we have condensation goes onto the auxiliary drain pan and begins to corrode. So let's see, what else can we find? I'm just looking at the B-vent. Well, the flue pipe looks pretty good. So again, we have some unsupported gas pipe, although this isn't too bad. It's being supported up there. This is a pretty big deal. This, I can't believe they didn't fix it. This is a 12-month warranty inspection.